ist auf dem, on the border. It's not going. You can try and you can see that then. Yeah, make this. Then you can. Also wir lassen das jetzt mal machen. Ja. Und dann werden wir sehen, dass wir gegen den Bordstein fahren. Down, R, and then you can adjust, no? Rotate on R. Is not going? No. Why not? Is going? Why not? Ja, stand nicht auf R für rechts, no? So, now you can see the border. And then you go back. And then you can see you can connect, no? No? You connect the border, no? You can see that? A little bit more. Ja, connect. Und das ist wirklich das Extremste, ne? Also, grüne Linie, ihr könnt die grüne Linie sehen, ist above, ne? Above the border, ne? And the yellow one. And then you connect. That's not really nice, no? Okay. You can see that? Okay. Good. Then we go out. Du sollst ja nicht mit dem Reifen am Bordstein stehen. Warum denn nicht? Warum sollen wir nicht mit dem Reifen am Bordstein stehen? No. Yeah, I can park. Yeah. No. You go this. It's the same. No? It's the same. It's going. Absolutely. You don't change anything. That's the same procedure, no? Okay, this white car, you know? Yeah. And we make here the same. Also, Ende Auto an der Schulter. In Schulterhöhe in etwa. Stop, no? Okay. So, then look around. Nobody's coming. And then